In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the features in YouTube. I'm logged in under my 4KCC account. You do have to be logged in with a Google account or Gmail account to do some of the features I'm going to show you. Right now, we're looking at a video called 6 Impossible Magic Tricks That Are Unexplainable. And one of the things you'll notice is right under the title, you have 1,244,769 views of this video. That's a lot. Coming over to the right, there are some icons. We'll see that there's a thumbs up, and 7.2 thousand people have given it a thumbs up, meaning they like the video. At the same time, the next icon shows a thumbs down. 717 people said they didn't like it. Now, we don't know why they didn't like it, but they didn't like it. The next option is share. If you click on that, you have the option to share it several different ways. You can copy a link, and you could put that link in an email, on a website, whatever the case may be. You also can share it right to Facebook or Twitter and a few others. And then you can also share it with people that you are connected to. I'm not clicking on the share because I don't really want to show the people that are friends of mine that may not want to see themselves in one of my videos. The next icon shows a little plus sign. And when you click on that, you get a pop-up and you can save it in different what are called playlists. The default playlist that's always there is watch later. So if you wanted to watch this later because you didn't have time, you could just put it in that playlist. But on the other hand, you could create a new playlist, which I'm going to do by clicking Create New Playlist. I'm going to call it Magic. And privacy. Do I want everyone to see my playlist? That would be public. Or if I click on the drop-down menu, I could put it as unlisted. And that means I could share a link to the playlist, or I could mark it private that only I can view it. So it just depends what you want to do. Generally, most of my playlists are private, and I'm going to say create. So now I've added this to a playlist that's called Magic, and it's a playlist that only I will be able to see because I marked it private. Next, you have a save button. Now, the thing about the save button, it's exactly the same. Save to. I can put it on a playlist. It doesn't matter which of those icons I hit, it goes the same place. Then you'll see 3 horizontal dots. If I click on that, I could report this video. If there was some reason that I felt that it did not fit into YouTube standards, for instance, if it was pornography, I could report it. I could also add translations if I want to see it in some other translation. That's something that I rarely use, but I might. All right, up under where my icon is that shows 4KCC, that's my account. If I click on that, I get a list of different items that are there, my channel. I could switch accounts because I could go to others, settings, some other things like that. If I click on your channel, then over in the left-hand column, I'll see different things. Part of those would be the videos that I've put up, but you'll also see that my playlists are there. The Watch Later, which is the default playlist that YouTube puts in, and then Magic, the one that I just created. If I click on that, there's my video. I can say play all, which in this case there's only one, and it would play it. Now going back to my video that I was looking at, the Magic, I want to show you that there is a red button and it says subscribe. The number 388K, which is 388,000, means that's how many people have subscribed to this person's channel. I have not subscribed to it. That's why it's red. If I click subscribe, here's what happens. The subscribe button turns gray and a little bell appears to the right. If I were to click on that bell, I will get notified every time this particular person posts a new video to their channel. So I'm going to do that right now. And you can see it says you'll get all notifications. Now I don't have to come to Deburk 321. That's the person who has the channel. I do not have to come to their channel every day or every other day or even once a week to see if they posted something new. I will get a notice on my computer that will tell me when they post something new. So there are some things you need to know about YouTube.